Hello, welcome to my house, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda from Mexico, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful vest. This is a summer vest. As you can see, you have a big armhole here in the sides, so it's more light and more fresh. Look at the back. I love how it looks. It is so easy. I will show you. We are going to make two parts and then you will join it, but I will show you how. The material that I used to make this vest was Rio, but at this time, in this occasion, I will use this material that it's a little bit more fine. I will use these colors because I want to create something for the coming parties in my country. As you know, we celebrate in September Independence Day, so we use the colors of our flag. So that's why I'm going to use green, white and red, but if you want, you can make it in one color like I make here in this project, in the last project, and I use Rio. That is a light material. Then you can find the material in my online store, but well, I will, in this case, I will use two skein of yarns of this fine material, 2 in green, 2 in white and 2 in red. But if you are going to make it with a light material, well, you are going to use 3 skein of yarns of 100 grams, and I'm going to use a crochet hook of 3.5. Look, this is the fine material. If you are going to make it with Rio, well, you are going to need 300 grams of Rio and a crochet hook of 4. Well, we are going to make two parts. As you can see, it's like you make a poncho, and then we are going to start making the chains that will be the wide of our armhole. So we are going to start with 2 threads of this fine material and with our crochet hook of 3.5 millimeters. Look. We are going to start making chains. We are going to make a knot here in the first chain, and then we are going to start making 110 for this small size. Okay, after the 110 chains, we are going to close them in circle. We are going to slip one. Please be careful and try to always keep the 2 threads together. Well, then we are going to make 1 row of double crochet. We are going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch, like this the whole row. I will do it slowly so you can see how it is. So well, we are going to continue like this, making 110 double crochet. After the 110 double crochet, we are going to close in circle, and here is the time to check that if you don't twist your peg. Then you are going to make 4 chains, skip one, and in the next one you are going to make a double crochet. Then 2 chains, skip one, and in the next one 1 double crochet, and like this the whole row. When you finish the mesh stitch row, you are going to close in circle like this. You have to try to form a square like you were making before. Well, we are going to slip one until the middle of the next square to start the next row. And from here we are going to start chain 3, then 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 double crochet. And like this we are going to create a V. And then in the next square we are going to make 3 chains and 1 single crochet here. And like this we are going to create this wave with a V in the middle. And again we repeat the same. We are going to make 3 chains, then 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 double crochet. Then 3 chains and 1 single crochet, and like this the whole row. At the end of the row, if you have left this square, don't worry, you are just going to make one single crochet here and that's it. Like this, you are going to close the row. So, to start the next row, we are going to slip until the middle of the next beam. Like this, we are going to slip 1. Until here, the middle of this B. Well, then we are going to make 5 chains. And here in the middle, we are going to make 1 double crochet to create a V. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and we are going to make a V here over the last V. Like I'm making this vest in 3 different colors, well, I'm going to make 4 rows of green, then 3 rows with white, and 3 rows with red. So this will be my last row with green. So we are going to make 1 V, 4 chains and 1 V, and like this the whole row. Well, I already finished this row, so I'm going to slip 1 to close, and this will be my last row using green. I'm going to slip until this V, so here I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows. I'm going to change the color. And now here I'm going to cut these threads, and I'm going to join 2 threads with the white skein of yarn. And then I'm going to continue, I'm going to make 4 rows. If you are making the vest with just one color, well, you don't have to make this step. So you are going to skip this step and you are going to continue with the same color. Well, now with this color, I'm going to start this row, so I'm going to make 5 chains like we made before and 1 double crochet. And we are going to repeat this row. We are going to make 2 more rows with 4, then 2 more rows with 5, and then 2 rows with 6. So we are going to increase 1 chain each 2 rows. So I'm going to make 2 rows with 4 chains, like we made before, making V over V, and then 2 rows more with 5 chains. Remember that the only thing that it's going to be changing is that we are going to make and we are going to increase 1 row more each 2 rows. Here again, 2 rows with 4, then 2 rows with 5 and 2 rows with 6, and we are always going to make V over V. Well, I will see you when I finish these white rows. Well, here I finished the 4 rows, 1 with 4, then 2 with 5, and I'm starting the last one with 6. And I will make 1 row more with 6 chains with the red skein of yarn. Remember that I'm making these rows with 2 threads. We are going to make 5 chains, I'm missing 2 more, 5 chains, and then we are going to make double crochet to create the V look. Then I'm going to make 6 chains. Remember that we already increased in the last stitch, in the last row, sorry. So this will be the last row with 6 chains, and here we are going to make the V. Remember that we are always going to make V over V. And with this row we are going to finish the series of 6 rows with V. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and with this we will finish to make the last row. Well, I will see you when I finish this row. Well, here I finished the row with the red skein of yarn with 6 chains. I'm going to slip 1 to close, and then I'm going to slip like this to start the next row. 3 chains and 1 double crochet. 1, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. Again I'm going to save this stitch and then one double crochet again, and like this we are going to create this shell. So here we have our 6 rows with V, and we are going to start making the row with shell, and again we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 6 chains, and again we are going to repeat the shell here over this V, and like this the whole row. 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and 2 double crochet. Well, let's continue and see you when I finish. So far it has to look like this. Well, look, here I finished, and now I'm going to start the row here in the middle of these chains. Look, so I'm going to slip until here, so I'm going to turn around my project, and like this I'm going to slip to start the next row. Once you are here, we are going to turn around again, and we are going to make, well, first we are going to grab our yarn, and here in the middle of the V we are going to make 1 extended double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. And we are going to make 1 picot here. So you are going to make 2 chains, and you are going to come back and take these threads and bring them through. And again, 4 extended double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4, all inside the V, and 1 single crochet in the middle of these chains. And like this we are going to continue making this shell over each V. We are going to repeat this all around it, and we are going to left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9 V to join with the other part. So we are going to continue making shells with 4 extended double crochet until we leave 9 V's to join with the other part. So we are going to leave them free. As you can see, I don't crochet chains in each side because it will give a different effect. So I just make single crochet in each side. Well, here I finished to make this row, and I leave 9 V's free to join with the other part. As you can see, I already get ahead and I create the other part on the other side of this piece. As I told you at the beginning, we are going to make as they were 2 ponchos, and we are going to join it leaving 9 V's, because with the last shells we are going to join them. Look, so you made 4 extended double crochet. Well, here I am finishing to make the extended double crochet, and then here, instead of making picot, I'm going to take this one from here, the one in the other side, I'm going to join them like this, and again 4 extended double crochet, and here I will move a little bit so I can have more light and you can see it better. Well, we are going to make the last extended double crochet, and here we are going to make 1 single crochet, and again we are going to join and make the same with the other shell. Then with the half of the shell, with the 4 extended double crochet, we are going to take the other part of the other side of this poncho that we made, and here we are going to take it and join it, and then the last 4 extended double crochet. As you can see here, we are like creating a bow. It looks good, and like this we are going to join the other shells, the ones that we left, and this will be the back. If you are smaller, well, you can leave less shells because this is the length of my back. So first you should try on to see how many shells you are going to leave it. Well, I'm going to finish the join until here, and with this we will finish. So what do you think? I love to make these kind of projects because they are so easy. Remember that we make two exactly parts to create this vest. Remember that I make this in 3 different colors because I'm going to a Mexican party, and that's why I put the colors of my flag, but you can make it in one color if you want. It's for a smaller size. Well, I suggest that you should, instead of making 110, well, you should make 100 chains. If not, well, you can leave it like that. This will fit perfectly on you and it will create an amazing shape. And as I told you at the beginning, I make this one in plain color, in just one color, and it looks beautiful too. Remember that you can make this one for the summer, for this coming summer, and you will look beautiful with just one top and simple top under. You will look good wearing this beautiful vest. Well, if you make this vest, please send me a picture. I would love to see you wearing this vest. Well, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and leave all your comments and share if you like this video. Thank you. Bye.